Do you want new effects in your games? Well, then I have the video for you, because this video will show you 3 new effects that you could put into your game to make it look so much better. And I'm a salesman, so I know what I'm talking about, and you could trust me. Trust me. Effect number 1. Color grading. Color grading is pretty easy. First, you choose the color. Yeah, that's it. Nothing else. No color theory or anything really needed. Just spin the wheel and choose whatever it lands on. Personally, I use it to darken the colors for a creepy feel, but you could really use it for anything. Go to the top of the Unity window and press Windows. Then select Pack Manager. Next, you'll press the button that says Package My Assets and switch it to Unity Registry. Search Post-Processing in the top left and download it. We'll create a post-processing layer on your camera. The camera will need a specific layer to view the post-processing, so create a new one and call it post-processing. Then, assign that to the layer that the camera will look for. Next, you create a post-processing volume, and make sure you assign its layer to the one that you just created. Create a new profile for the volume, then go to Add Components and add color grading. You can mess around this all you want to get something that you like. Pixelizing is actually a pretty nice way to stylize your game. All you're doing is bringing down the resolution. However, it will take a little more work than post-processing. What you're going to want to do is create a new render texture and set the size to whatever you want. This will be your resolution. Next, you want to go to your camera and set this texture as the target texture. Finally, you will need to create a new UI raw image and have the texture be this render texture. Chromatic aberration is just a fancy way to say glitch effect. To add this to the game, it's the same steps as color grading, but you choose chromatic aberration when going to add effects.